If TikTok Shop is not showing up for you, it could be due to various reasons, including technical issues or regional restrictions. So today we are here with some troubleshoot uh, solutions to these problems on how to fix TikTok Shop not showing. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Now inside TikTok, you can see that I don't have any shop option available here. So now simply tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner. So after you tap on your profile icon, you will get to see the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down till you see the option reports a problem. Then again scroll down till you find the option submit a report. And there you can write a brief description of how you can find your TikTok shop on your TikTok. Now TikTok customer support will go through your TikTok or TikTok report, and they will definitely let you know how you can fix this problem through the email. So stay patient till then. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.